Okay, in this video we're going to learn how to find the lowest common multiple using prime factorization. Okay, so to do this, the first thing we need to do is find the prime factors of our two numbers that we're looking at. So today we're going to look at 8 and 12. Okay, so to find prime factors, I'm going to break 8 up into numbers that can multiply to equal 8. Okay, and then I'm going to stop every time I reach a prime number. Remember, as a prime number is a number that can only be divided by itself and 1. Okay, so 8, I can make this by multiplying 2 times 4. Okay, 2 is a prime number because it can only be multiplied by or divided by 2 and 1. Okay, so we stop there. 4, however, is not a prime number, so we have to keep breaking it down until we get all prime numbers. So to make 4, I have to multiply 2 by 2. Okay, 2 again is a prime number, so now I have my prime factorization of 8. Okay, so 8 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2. Okay, and we know that this is correct because 2 times 2 equals 4 and 4 times 2 equals 8. Another way of writing this is 2 to the power of 3. Alright, so let's do the same for 12. So 12, I can break it down into 2 times 6. 2 is a prime number, so I stop over there. 6 is not a prime number, so I have to break it down some more, and I can do this by multiplying 2 times 3. Both of these are prime numbers, so I'm going to stop. So now I have my prime factorization of 12. So 12 is equal to 2 times 2 times 3, or 2 squared times 3. Okay, and we can check this by doing 2 times 2 equals 4, 4 times 3 equals 12. Alright, so how do I use these numbers to figure out my lowest common multiple? Well, what you need to do is line them up. Okay, so we're going to start with 8. I'm going to line up my 2, and my 2. Okay, now I'm going to take the prime factors of 12 and match them up. Okay, if they have a partner, you can line them up. So my first 2 can partner up with my 2 from my factors of 8. My second 2 can also line up. I don't have a third 2, so I leave this space blank. Okay, and then I have a 3 as well. So I put my 3 there, and there's no partner up here on the other in the factors of 8. All right, so now we just copy down. All right, so we've got 2. I'm only going to bring it down once. Again, I've got 2. I bring it down once. Okay, because I only need to use it once. I've got 2. I didn't have a partner, so again, I just bring it down once. And my 3, I didn't have a partner, I just bring it down once. Okay, and if I multiply all these numbers together, that will give me my lowest common multiple. So let's try this out. 2 times 2, that gives me 4. Okay, 4 times 2, that gives me 8. And then 8 times 3, that gives me 24. So my lowest common multiple between 8 and 12 is 24. Now, is that correct? Well, how can you check? Well, you can just go through and take a look at all the multiples of 8 and 12 and see when they match up. So multiples of 8 and 12, we've got 8, 16, 24. For 12, it's 12, 24, and 36. So you can see the lowest common multiple is 24, and we found that by using prime factorization.